You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. Last week, we discussed the president's broad powers and some limitations to issue a pardon. But can a U.S. president pardon him or herself? Former President Trump tweeted in 2018, "I have the absolute right to pardon myself," and he discussed that possibility after the January 6th insurrection, according to the New York Times. Professor Michael J. Conklin of Texas A&M Law School and Angelo State University examined law review articles on self-pardons and conducted his own survey of 95 law school faculty around the country. He found that while a slight majority of scholars think that answer is no, it's far from definitive. One legal principle dating back to the 1500s states, "No one is judge in his own cause." Some point to the Constitution's language giving the president authority to pardon any citizen, except in cases involving impeachment. Others cite a U.S. Justice Department memo after Watergate, which concluded the president cannot self-pardon. Yet other experts say the Constitution inherently opposes self-dealing. In U.S. v. Wilson, Justice John Marshall wrote, "A pardon is an act of grace proceeding from the power entrusted with the execution of laws. One cannot bestow grace upon oneself." One thing on which most scholars do agree, if such a pardon were to occur, it would ultimately be decided upon by the U.S. Supreme Court. We have links to these discussions at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal.